Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin McBride. ODOT is asking for your help in developing a plan for one of the state's most traveled roadways.
Yeah, US23 is a vital north-south link across the state, and this study is led by ODOT and partners at the Mid-Ohio Regional Planning Commission and Toledo Metropolitan Area Council of Governments, and it's going to determine the feasibility of creating a free-flow connection between Columbus and Toledo.
Not only is the portion between Delaware and Columbus over capacity, but the stretch of highway north of Delaware is a key freight corridor, with 1 in 7 vehicles being a semi-truck. Along with evaluating the existing route, the study will consider new routes to the east or west of US 23, which would avoid the several traffic signals along the stretch.
Virtual public meetings started this week, with more planned for next week. You can learn more about the plan and how you can participate in one of those meetings at transportation.ohio.gov/23 Connect.
We're starting to see more and more of our staff transitioning back into the office. And in Northwest Ohio, they have a new tool to help.
Who has the new great technology that works well in our partially remote, partially in-person work environment? D2, that's who.
This is the Meeting Owl. It captures the whole conference room and automatically highlights people when they speak. It allows people working in the office to be in the same conference room without speaker or microphone problems.
It also helps remote workers feel like they're in the same room.
The Meeting Owl easily connects to any video meeting platform and has no long-term maintenance fees, unlike other services.
Thank you to all the information technology staff across the state of Ohio for supporting ODOT in promptly transitioning to a remote teleworking environment, and who are now pivoting to transition us back to the office. The steady support throughout this pandemic has enabled all of us to be successful and never miss a beat.
Back to yoo-hoo, guys.
It was so good to see Highway Henry again, but is he all right?
Yeah, I think he just needs a little more coffee. He'll be fine.
Oh, here it comes. Watch out, boy, don't screw it up. Whoa, here it comes. It's the ramp meter.
Sorry about that, guys. Got a little carried away there. But look, even if you don't appreciate 80s pop soul music quite like I do, you certainly can appreciate anything that makes our highways safer, right? I mean, look, over the last several years, ramp meters have shown to improve safety and efficiency on busy urban highways in Ohio, especially during morning and afternoon rush hour. And they're very cost effective when compared to reconfiguring a complete interchange. So what actually is a ramp meter? Well, you've probably seen it before. It's a traffic signal installed on a highway on-ramp, and it's designed to control the amount of traffic entering a highway, all to improve merging and reduce congestion. So how well do they work? Well, on I-270 southbound at Roberts Road in Hilliard, Ohio, our data shows up to a 35% increase in morning rush hour speed when compared to when the ramp is not metered. This greatly reduces not only merge incidents, but also rear-end crashes on the highway. In fact, Washington DOT did a study that showed ramp meters reduce crashes by up to 30%. Now, currently, there are 40 ramp meters installed on various ramps in Franklin and Hamilton counties, with 2 more in the works. The most recent ramp meters at I-75 and Union Center in Butler County just went operational. These ramp meters are unique in that they are the first overhead ramp meters in the state. Who knew?
Dave, that song, man. Jeez. Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media. And we always love your story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And now, you're in the loop.